Alright everyone, tonight I'm going to show off my Autopsy Collection. They were all remastered in shortly after the turn of the century. So okay. Severed Survival. If I recall, this album cover has been censored on some versions. (1989) album. 2003 remaster, reissue on Digipack. Mental Funeral. Oh, what a perfect death metal cover. Remastered with the bonus tracks. Okay, that looks better. Acts of the Unspeakable. (1992) album, remastered. Here's their 1995 album, Shit Fun. I'm sure this album cover was also censored at some point, but okay. Ooh, yeah, everything shows up really well on this one. And then their 2001 album, Torn from the Grave. All through Peaceville Records. I look forward to getting more Autopsy albums. Just a great band to thrash around to. Alright. And I'll do an update when I do. And this will be my first of 4 or 5 videos to kick off, since I haven't done any videos in a while. Thank you for watching.